Hey there, are you ready to take your smartphone experience to the next level? Today, we've got something special for you. We're counting down the top 9 coolest gadgets for Android user from Amazon. That innovative accessories to must-have gadgets, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. 9. Anker PowerWave E pad. No matter what kind of smartphone you have, Anker's PowerWave E stand is made to charge it. It automatically switches between 5W, 7.5W, 10W, and 15W charging modes, which ensures optimized charging for just about any Qi-enabled device. In the case of my iPhone 11 Pro, I found this to be one of the fastest wireless chargers I've ever used. Every iPhone model from the iPhone 8 to the current lineup can be charged wirelessly, but can only use up to 7.5 watts. So the PowerWave will sense that and only give it that much juice. I anticipate that Apple will eventually make iPhones that can use more power than that like other smartphones. If so, you'll still be getting optimal charging with the PowerWave E stand. I consider this charger to be more future-proof than one that only charges up to 7.5 watts. 8. Google Pixel Buds Pro. The Google Pixel Buds Pro Truly Wireless are an even more affordable pick. These headphones are another great choice for Android users, and since they support multi-device pairing, you can pair them to your phone and another device simultaneously. They last for nearly 8 hours off a single charge, and their case holds nearly 2 additional charges to help you top up. Their battery performance falls short of the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3, and they don't have the same high-quality build as the more premium pick. Still, they offer a similar noise isolation performance, which is nice. One of the standout features requires the Google Translate app, which helps you translate languages in real time. These headphones have a V-shaped sound profile, bringing extra emphasis to the treble and bass. It's particularly well suited for genres like rock and pop. You can also switch it up with a graphic EQ and presets in the Android-compatible companion app. Unfortunately, unlike the Google Pixel Buds A-series Truly Wireless, they lack stabilizers. 7. Anker 321 PowerBank. If you're here, the likelihood is you're shopping for a new portable charger. Below, we're going to talk you through everything you need to know when buying a power bank and whether you should consider an Anker one. Anker is one of the biggest brands in the power bank space, and you're likely to see the name appear in a variety of best of lists for power banks, as the company makes some of the best products on the market. Just check out our best power banks list, and you'll see Anker mentioned a couple of times. The design of Anker power banks isn't going to get you particularly excited, but a stunning design is unlikely to be something many are looking for from a portable charger. Instead, the company has made its whole range into slim products that are as small and practical as possible. You've often got the color choice of white or black for your power bank, but a large variety of devices only come in the latter color. 6. Seno Pro Lens Kit. The Seno Pro Lens Kit that is made up of a 0.45x wide-angle lens and a 15x macro lens. It is a very popular smartphone lens kit, and for good reason. It's a quality lens kit that produces great photos, and it is compatible with a wide variety of smartphones. Plus, it comes with extra goodies. The wide-angle lens can capture an extra 45% of the scene whenever you use it. It's a good quality lens that does not suffer from vignetting, dark edges, as cheap lenses do. It's made from aluminum and premium optical glass for durability and clarity. The 15x macro lens works really well for macro photography with a smartphone. With it, you can take extreme close-up shots and capture all the intricate details of small objects in sharp focus. The lens is attached to the smartphone camera via a lens clip that's strong enough to keep the lens attached to the phone without damaging the device. 5. Razer Kishi V2. The first Razer Kishi was a solid controller, but the Razer Kishi V2 has taken the original's good design and pushed it up to a whole new level. The Razer Kishi V2 sports a new extendable bridge to hold your phone combined with a familiar button layout and a sturdy design. The second Kishi controller improves over the original by removing the stretchy and flop support band and replacing it with a solid extendable bridge. This new design makes inserting your phone much easier, and that ease means you're much more likely to reach for your controller when you boot up Diablo Immortal or Call of Duty. It's certainly not flimsy, and the strong materials should mean it can withstand a fair amount of transportation and punishment, an important attribute if you want to take a controller on your travels. 4. EaseQuest USBC Multimedia Hub. The best USB-C hubs often go above and beyond the simple need for extra USB-A ports on laptops with few ports. Not only can they bring a range of versatility to the usual suspects, we're looking at you, MacBook Air and Dell XPS 13, but they can also transform your desk setup so you can work or game more proficiently. So what makes the best USB-C hubs the best? EaseQuest's USB-C Multimedia Hub takes an intriguing shot at that question. This 8-port, travel-friendly USB-C hub is what many laptop users need to expand the capabilities of their device, offering an easy way to interface with 3 USB peripherals, connect to a 4K external display, transfer files and media via 2 SD card readers, and provide a stable internet connection thanks to an Ethernet port, all while charging a laptop with 100 VAU pass-through power delivery. What more could you want? Well, if you also have an iPad, Android, tablet, or smartphone, the hub seamlessly connects with these devices and brings all the aforementioned capabilities to turn your device into a powerhouse. 3. Benki 685 gaming projector. While the name implies that this projector is exclusively for gamers, that isn't the case. It has Android TV built in for watching television shows, movies, live sporting events, and other videos, as well as accessing apps from the Google Play Store too. But it does have special features that gamers in particular will benefit from, including game mode with low latency of 8.3 milliseconds response time at 1080p/120 Hz, providing low input lag for gaming so your on-screen action will mirror your controls quickly and efficiently, perfectly in sync. Further, the game sound mode will fine-tune the audio to match the video on screen, and Lumi Expert helps to prevent eye strain during extended periods of gaming. The 1080p projector supports 4K HDR content with an impressive 3,500 lumens of brightness and automatic keystone correction should the projector not be positioned at the perfect angle. Project an image at up to 100 inches from up to 8.2 feet away. 2. Nikon MGX Pro. Nikon created a force to be reckoned with in the MGX Pro mobile controller, taking the best aspects of other controllers on the market and combining them with the ergonomic grips of an Xbox or PlayStation console controller. Because why fix what isn't broken? That design's been proven to work, and it works wonderfully with the Nikon MGX Pro. We noted that its weight distribution felt nice, a perk of clamping around your phone instead of using a foam clip. Unlike other similar models, though, the face buttons, thumbsticks, and D-pad are all naturally spaced out so your hands won't cramp, and the triggers and bumpers have an ergonomic curve that makes them easier to grip and tap. In practice, it doesn't feel like a mobile controller, which is a huge perk in our book. 1. Garmin Venus 2. In the crowded fitness smartwatch market, Garmin's Venus 2 stands out for its practicality. It features a large AMOLED color touchscreen with a squarish design that offers better text legibility compared with round models. Battery life is also a strong suit. In testing, the Venus 2 ran for up to 9 days between charges with light use. As with the higher-end round Venus 2 series, the second-generation model is a fitness-first wearable with a robust suite of workout and health tracking tools. But it also offers some useful lifestyle features, including calendar and weather apps, vibrating alarms, smartphone notifications, and Garmin Pay mobile payment support. And there you have it, the top 9 coolest gadgets for Android users. Which ones will you be adding to your collection? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and gadget reviews. Until next time, stay connected.